What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. I have to make a video, you guys. I just have to because I'm having withdrawals. My plants are gone. So I have to plant something that I know grows within 24, 48, 36, 72 hours. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are one of the easiest things to grow. They grow overnight pretty much. And I need some growth in my life. And I want to show you guys some growth. And this may help somebody who never grew cucumbers before. Okay. So pretty much we got our seeds started. Mixed soil in there already. You know. Yeah, y'all. I'm planting this now. Today is Monday. I was off today. I got some rest. Thank you guys for following. And don't forget, click like and subscribe. I'm just going to plant some of these munchers. This is from the Burpee Seed Collection. The munchers. And I'm using 2 cameras, you guys. You know how I do, just in case one fails. So, I'm just going to plant a couple munchers. And I have 3 containers and I have 3 different packs. We're going to plant munchers. We're going to plant 2 packs of the Valley Green. One is the white spine. And I've planted these before and had great success. The white spine is great. And then the pickling. I don't really eat the little small ones. But we're going to see, okay? And then, watch, y'all. Watch. You're going to be like this. Really? Skinny Boy Randy, they grew that fast? Yep. They grew that fast. Okay, so we're going to start with the muncher. And this is what the seeds look like. You know what cucumber seeds look like when you buy them at the store. Can you guys see them? Yep. Cucumber seeds. So we're going to plant our munchers. And this is the Burpee Seed Munchers, y'all. And I need some growth in my life. I'm devastated I lost all my seeds, but it's okay, okay? So I'm going to put the munchers right here, since it's right in front of me. And all you want to do is take your seed and just stick it right down in the soil. Cucumbers are the easiest thing to grow. And I want to put 5. 4 around the edge and 1 in the middle. Can you see that? Well, yeah, you know what I mean. 4 around the edge and 1 in the middle. And these are the munchers. Don't forget to put your label, because we have to label these. Now these are the Chicago pickling. So we're going to plant some of these. I need growth in my life, y'all. And I know cucumbers never fail me. They never fail. They grow. Cucumbers love to grow. Oh, too many. But then again, we just want growth. You know, you can always separate cucumbers. We're gonna put, oh, that one felt jumped in there. Okay. You can, that's your spot. All right. 5 more right there of the pickling. These gonna come up, y'all. I should put more so I can have a big container full, right? Yeah, we're just having fun. And these are some old seedlings. And you never know what we might get out of it, y'all. So let's just have some fun and put a couple extra. And yep, just like that. Put another one in there. So all I did was just, you know what? We ain't gonna even worry about which one is which. Put the seed down in there. Let me pick this camera up. This one anyway. There's some seeds down in there. Sorry, you guys. So, yeah, this is like an emergency video because, yeah, You know the story. We lost everything, but it's okay, okay. God is good. Thank you for being here. I hope I told you. I hope you're having a blessed, growing, great, and prosperous day. So now we're gonna do the white spine. One of my favorites. The white spine. The white spine. You know what? We are gonna keep up with our seed, y'all. We ain't gonna do them like that. We're gonna keep up with them. Let me put a few more munchers over here first. Put a few more munchers. Yep. Put 4 more. Cause they cucumbers. Ooh, I ain't lying, y'all. Watch this container in a couple days. Watch my container. I lie to you not. Watch it in a couple days. These munchers look good. I gotta save some of these. And yeah, you know, you guys, I lost everything. I'm not gonna say lost everything. You know what I mean. Yeah, leave these in there. But yeah, some of my seeds got overheated in the greenhouse, so I had to start over. But it's okay. All right, I'm gonna put some white spine. White spine. Those some nice big, healthy, juicy tomatoes. You cut them up with a little vinegar, salt, and pepper, or tomatoes and sweet onion. However you want to do it, it's all right. Okay. So I put the seeds in there, just like that. Now all I want to do is push them down a little bit. That's all, y'all. Cucumbers don't require a whole lot of work. Push them down in the soil. And if one's sticking on top of the soil a little bit, it'll still root itself. It'll germinate itself. And I'm just sticking these down in there. You know. Yep. That's what I'm doing. Talk about me later. Yep. Sticking them down in there. And then I'm going to even take some of this Dollar Tree soil. Oh, no, I have a little bit of soil over here already. That's some soil that was already over there in the grow bag, y'all. That over here in the utility room. So I don't have to open that bag over there. Okay? That's all I'm gonna do. That's what it looked like dry. Let me water it. I have not poked the holes out of this yet because I know I'm just starting these. And I don't want the water to drain out because I'm not outside and I'm not on a surface that will, you know, take the water. So yeah, I just stuck them down in the ground like that, y'all. 3 different types of cucumbers. Which one is which, I don't know. Because I think I twisted the thing again. I don't know. But we know there are 3 different types. And when they come up, we'll figure it out. Okay, you guys? So we just planted some cucumbers. It's very easy to do. This is something that's going to come up within 48, 72 hours. You'll see. All right, keep following. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I love you guys. You're the best.